How to cancel a Grubhub order. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can cancel a Grubhub order. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. However, I won't be able to show you particularly here because the app itself isn't available in my region, but I'll just guide you through. You want to open up your Grubhub app, you want to log into your account. Now there, if you have any orders, then what you want to do is at the bottom of your screen you'll find various toolbars. Now along with the toolbars, what you want to do is you want to tap on the orders option at the toolbar, and once you do so, your current orders should appear at the top of this page. Now what you want to do is tap help, that you'll find help option at the top right corner, and then you want to select the cancel order from the list of options that appears. Now all you have to do is you'll have to give a reason for canceling, then tap chat with us and you'll be able to cancel it. So this way you can easily cancel a Grubhub order on the Grubhub app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.